Hey guys, Garage79R. I came across a video online about cleaning some stainless pipes or mufflers, and I wanted to give it a go myself since I deal with it more often. And you can see here I got some results already, and it's disturbingly easy. They were using a different brand of metal cleaner, but after some research, you get some clean strip, concrete, and metal prep. And since I don't have a spray bottle, I just punched a couple tiny holes into the foil here. And literally, I'm just going to put a drop of it on there. And take some quadruple aught steel wool. Look at that. And just wipe off the excess. And it's that simple. So if you got some good stainless pipe that you just need to clean up and you want to reuse it, or just an existing system on a car, I've been doing this for the better part of 20 years, and this is like sliced bread to me. Like, this is awesome because I reuse stainless often, especially in my own builds and whatnot, just, you know, to save costs. So that literally looks like brand new. And this is not even, this is 409 stainless. This is not even 304. The fact that it cleans up 409 that well, that's awesome. So hope this little video helps someone, you know, in a similar situation, want to clean up some stainless. There you go. That's simple. See ya.